this tutorial, I will show you how I integrated the vector art I made from my previous video into the Canva platform. So if you haven't been able to watch my previous video yet, you can just go to YouTube and then type in digital Glai, and then it'll show my profile there. Alright, so going back, you will see here how I made this mock-up with the shadow effect like this one. Alright, so let's start. So I'm in the Illustrator platform right now, and what I'm doing is I'm exporting the file into a PNG format and then just set it to 72 ppi. So I'm just going to do the same for the other two until I'm done. So I'm now in the Canva platform, and then you'll see here how easy it is to upload any elements in Canva. Alright, so let's start by clicking the create a design and just use the Instagram template, just a blank one. And then on the left panel of your workspace, just click on the uploads and then just upload your element. Okay, so here I will use the three vector art that I made from my previous video. Okay, so just click on all of the files and just open it, and then you'll see it'll automatically upload there. So now that it's part of the elements, you can now use it as part of your design. Okay, so let me just make this quick. I'm just showing you how I designed one of the three social media posts that I made. Okay, so just enjoy watching. You can slow it down if you want to see what I'm clicking on. So just a tip, the shortcut key for the text box is the letter T on your keyboard. So you can just click on that and then it'll show up another text box. Now I'm going to make a square outline. Now tip number 2, if you want to make the lines thinner, make the shape smaller first, and once you're satisfied, drag the sides one by one until you get the size that you want. Tip number 3, you can zoom in and out of your workspace by holding the Command key for Mac or the Control key for Windows while controlling the mouse wheel. Now that we're done, we're going to download our file as a PNG format. And you can choose to make the file size a bit bigger if you want, and then just click on download. This part, I will show how I made the mockup template with the shadow effect. So let's just start with opening a blank template. Alright, so once we're in, you just click on the Uploads tab on the left panel and just look for your elements. So I made 3 social media post templates, and then I just uploaded it just like I did from my previous tutorial. Okay, so once it's fully uploaded, you can click on the background first, so we can choose the color of our background. once you're satisfied with the color, you can go on and click all of your artworks one by one, and then select all of it, and then change the sizes. You can just drag it side by side and make sure it's aligned all together. This is the part where I will show you how I made the shadow effect. So if you think I'm going way too fast, you can always adjust the speed setting of the video. I will slow down a bit here so you can see how I put the shadows all together. So if you notice, I changed the size of my workspace because I think it's a bit smaller. So I just used the presentation size, which is 1920 by 1080 pixels. Okay, so now we're done. Let's now save this as a PNG. You can always make the file size a bit bigger if you want to. And then that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you stay tuned for my next tutorial video. See you!